Hi everyone, welcome back to Essence Talks. This is a platform where we talk about social work and mental health. So if you are passionate about making a difference in people's life, then you are in the right place. Today we are going to be talking about something super important, and it is why social work is important, or why social work is very, very essential, especially here in Nigeria. So stick around because this is a conversation you wouldn't want to miss. First things first, what exactly is social work? Social work is all about helping people overcome their challenges, whether it is poverty, domestic violence, mental health issue, or even lack of access to education. It is a career path where individuals, peoples, and community function is very, very paramount, and where it's at the heart of every decision that they make, especially here in Nigeria, where people struggle for economic hardship, social injustice, and mental health stigma. Social workers are there to bridge this gap between people having this issue and the society in which they belong to. They help them connect to where adequate care and resources can be met. Why social work is critical in Nigeria? Number one reason here is because of poverty and unemployment. And according to research, over 40% of Nigerians live in poverty. And in 2023, the World Bank estimated that 38.9% of Nigerians were living below the poverty line. And this is equating to approximately 87 million individuals. Also, as of last year, some sources suggest that poverty rates may have increased further. For instance, the Africa report noted that the share of Nigerians living below the national poverty line may have risen from 40.1% to 56%. The second reason here is child welfare and education. Many children cannot afford to go to school or are even living in an unsafe environment or condition. Imagine the number of out-of-school children that we have in our society today, or the number of children who do not even have access to basic necessities. So social workers are there to fight for these children's rights and place them in an environment where it is safe and secure. The third reason is mental health and stigma. You see, a lot of people highly misunderstood mental health here in Nigeria, and many people see depression as a spiritual problem and not as a real condition that it is. And social workers help to educate communities about this condition and also support them and also connect them to where they can get support. Now, let's talk about real impact. In Lagos, social workers have helped rescue children from trafficking, and these children are being placed in safe homes for further protection. Also, in the northern part of the world, social work organizations are helping women escape domestic violence and are also helping them to rebuild their home. In some other places where there is state of emergency as well, social workers are there to help provide psychosocial support so that these people can be okay and they can be well integrated back into the society. Across Nigeria, social workers are also advocating for policies so that lives of the most vulnerable in the society can be protected and secured. So how can you support social work in Nigeria? You can do this by raising awareness, such as talking about social issues and sharing a video like this. Also, you can support NGOs and social workers by donating, volunteering, and also through the word of mouth. And also, you can consider a career in social work. If you are passionate about helping people, then this might be a calling for you. That's it for today's video. Social work is more than a profession. It is a mission to create a better Nigeria. So if you found this video valuable, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, please let me know what are your thoughts about social work in Nigeria, and you can drop your comments below. So don't forget to stay safe and also be strong.